Hello everyone and welcome back to my Mendeley Reference Manager series. In part 1, we learned how to install Mendeley and create an account. In part 2, we explored different ways of adding references. In part 3, we learned how to manage and organize our library. Now, in this final part, we will learn the most important application of Mendeley, that is, using Mendeley for citations and bibliography. This is where Mendeley actually saves your time and effort. In this session, we will cover how to install Mendeley Cite, how to insert citations, how to add multiple citations, how to generate bibliography, and how to change citation styles. So, let us begin. Before we start inserting citation, we must first install Mendeley Cite add-in. So now here I have opened my Mendeley Reference Manager library. On top you can see these tabs: Mendeley Reference Manager, File, Edit, Tools, Help. Go to Tools. Here you will get option Install Mendeley Cite for your Microsoft Word. Click on that. A new window will open with the Microsoft Marketplace. Here there is option called as Get It Now. Click on Get It Now and follow the instructions to install Mendeley Cite. You don't have to do anything, just create an account in the Microsoft and you will be able to install Mendeley Cite. In MS Word, I will open my article wherein I want to add in-text citations and bibliography. I have taken this text only for the demonstration purpose. So once you open your Word file, you will have to go to References. In the references, in the ribbon, you will see Mendeley Cite. Click on that. This will appear only when you install Mendeley Cite. Click on that. A panel will open on the right hand side. Click on Get Started. You will have to log in to your Mendeley account to use Mendeley Cite. So use the same ID and password to sign in. Once you sign in, you will be able to see your Mendeley library. This Mendeley Cite panel connects your Word document with your Mendeley library. If you do not see this Mendeley Cite option, even after installing Mendeley Cite, you need to restart your MS Word or check in your internet connection. Let us understand this panel. Here you will be able to see the search bar. Then below that, your recently added references. Here you can see your full library, your Mendeley library. You can search by author name, article title or keywords. This makes it very easy to locate references. Now let us see inserting your citations. We will go to the article. Themes and styles also helps keep your document coordinated. Now I want to support this statement with a reference. So I will take my cursor to the point where I want to insert a citations or at the end of the statement, and I will go to the reference or the article. So suppose this article I want to cite there. So just click on Insert Citation. You will see the citation appear automatically. This is called as in-text citation. You don't need to type anything manually. Mendeley does it for you. Now we will add one more citation. For this statement, we will take the cursor, click on Insert Citation. See. You can see the citation. One more we will try by opening a library. We will go to all references. Here in favorites we have saved some of the article. For this statement I will use my article from the favorite. Insert citation. See how quickly and without any problem this citation appears here. Now we will see adding multiple citation. Sometimes one statement is supported by multiple studies. So we will take our cursor where we want a citation. You remember we had selected or saved some of the citations or some of the articles in the collection of introduction. We will go to that folder now, introduction folder, because we had already saved some articles in the introduction folder to be added to the introduction part. So now we will select, say suppose this statement is supported by these two articles. Then click on Insert two citations. See, you can see multiple citations can also be added very easily. You don't have to do anything. Mendeley will automatically combine citations, arrange them properly, and also format punctuations. Now let us learn how to edit citation. If suppose you want to edit any citation, you think there is any error in the name of the author or anything, you just have to click on this citation and go to edit, and here you can manually edit the citation. Now let us generate the reference list. Once you finish inserting citations in your entire document, you can go to inserting bibliography or generating the reference list. So scroll down to the end of the document. Take your cursor where you want to add the bibliography or insert the bibliography. In the Mendeley Cite panel, you can see here 3 dots. Click on that. Here there is option called Insert Bibliography. Click on Insert Bibliography. You can continue. Instantly a formatted reference list will appear. This bibliography includes only the cited references. If you delete a citation, it is automatically removed from the bibliography. This is called as dynamic updating. You can add here references. We will try deleting one citation to see how the bibliography is updated. So we will delete this. We have deleted this citation Kumar Das, but the reference list is not yet updated. For that you will have to again go to the 3 dots, click on that, click on Update Bibliography. See, Kumar Das, that reference got disappeared from the list. So this is called as dynamic updating. Next we will see changing the citation style. Now suppose your journal asks for a different style. You had submitted your article to one journal which asked for the APA style of formatting. Now due to some reason your article got rejected and you are submitting it to some other journal. So that journal wants another style of referencing. That if you do this manually in Word, you will have to go and delete all the citations, then you will have to change this manually. But with Mendeley it is very easy. It doesn't take much time. You just have to change the citation styles. For that you go to citation settings, change citation style. Currently the document is in the APA style. We want to change it to Vancouver style. Click on the style, click on Update Citation Style. Once you click on Update, you can see automatically the index citation has been changed. Earlier it was author and the year, now it has been changed to number, because in Vancouver style the index citations are numbered. When you scroll down, you will see the bibliography is not changed. So you will have to go to 3 dots again, Update Bibliography. So the bibliography is also changed to Vancouver style. See how easy it is to change the index citation as well as the reference list in whichever citation style you need in just few clicks. That's all with inserting citations and bibliography using Mendeley. In today's part 4, we learned how to install Mendeley Cite, how to insert citations, how to edit citations, add bibliography, also edit the bibliography, and at the end how to change the citation style. Now you are fully equipped to use Mendeley for your academic writing. From collecting references to writing your paper, everything can be managed efficiently. Thank you for watching this complete Mendeley series. If you found this series helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Blended Librarian at Goa. See you in the next session. Dev Bare Guru.